Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. RX 6650 XT Gaming OC8G and then hit enter. After that search your graphic card on this website. And then click on the product. So this is your graphic card, click on it. Then click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 7, 10, 11. So all operating system installations, driver download, same process. After that you can see this is your driver and this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start in the download. It will take some time and depend about your internet. After that click on three dot and then click on download. You can see it will start downloading. Then it is completed. Then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that this one, right click and run as administrator, otherwise show more and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that this is installing, it will take some time and it is completed all driver. Then restart your system.